Hi, good morning. Welcome to MBCFX Daily Market Analysis. Today is Friday, the 1st of February, 2013. The euro recovered against the US dollar, due to the US negative news, especially the US Central Bank has claimed to continue buying bonds. Also, the postponement of the QE3 program until the end of the year 2013, and the rise of the US jobless claims. This results the aversion of the investors to trade US dollar in order to hedge against inflation. So these news have pushed the euro high towards the 1.3634 level. We notice on the weekly chart that the prices have breached almost the moving averages, and the monthly candle has closed within the cloud. So today we expect that euro would continue its rise towards the 1.37 and 1.3680 levels. That is all for the news of this morning. For more info or further technical analysis, please visit our website on www.mbcfx.com or contact us at info@mbcfx.com.